Y'all, it's going down, y'all. Off the clock. It's my time. Gia. Good morning. Good morning. Breakfast time. Breakfast time. Hey, breakfast time. Yeah, breakfast time, everybody. Check it out. Toast, nice and toasty, y'all. Nice and buttered. Yeah. Let's see if this one. Yeah. Nice toast, y'all. Got my toast nice and ready, y'all. Put my egg up here, y'all. It's going down. Little cheese on it. Gia. Hooking it up, y'all. Hooking that good old egg sandwich. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Hook it up. Gia. Trying to eat a good sandwich, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. Yeah. Something real simple. Quick eggs. You know what I'm saying? Quick egg sandwich, y'all. You already know how this egg. And I'm gonna have ham with a fried egg. Yeah, y'all. Mm, oh, it's going down. Good old sandwich. Good old sandwich, y'all. You know what I'm talking about? Got the munchies. Got the munchies, y'all. What's over here? Good old sandwich, y'all. Yeah, good morning, everybody. Lemon, lemon pepper egg. Lemon pepper egg. It's going down. Good morning, y'all. Some black pepper. Good old black pepper. Yeah, my stomach got the growling on my man. Trying to whip up something good, y'all. Well, good morning, y'all. Time to eat. Time to eat. You get it? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Check it out, y'all. Got that fried egg on this bad boy, y'all. Yeah. That should be about ready. Oh, yeah. Look at this toast. Ooh, nice and toasted eggs. Oh, yeah. No down, y'all. Oh, yeah. Just put this bad boy. Yeah. Nice and seared on that bread. That's nice. Number one. Get my cheese, y'all. Oh, yeah. It's going. Uh, Put some cheese on it. Put some cheese on it. Quick sandwich. Put some cheese on it. Oh, yeah, that's it right there. Mm-hmm. Gia.